I guess I travel almost 20 days a month or 15 days a month. And in the last 2-3 years, I've traveled to places like Dubai, Malaysia, South Africa, Bangkok, almost every place. And now I'm going to be flying to Mauritius soon for another movie. So it's just been too much of traveling, and I hardly get to stay at my house for maybe 5 days or 7 days in an entire month. But I do love traveling because I carry lots of music with me to so that I do not get bored in on long hours of journey. And yeah, traveling is always fun. I look forward to traveling.
Vimala Raman as a traveler. Actually, to tell you the truth, one of my main passions in life, apart from acting, is definitely traveling. I make sure that at least I get to see one new country every year. So I've been very lucky this year. I've actually done quite a lot of traveling. I started off after New Year's and I went to Brazil. I got to see Brazil. And then after that I went to Singapore again. I went back to my own country, Australia. I went to visit my parents in Sydney. And then after that, I've been to America, of course, New York. So I've done quite a bit of traveling. And I just went to Thailand now, but that was for shooting, so you can't consider that. So my next goal is definitely to see another new country for next year. I think this year I'm just really busy with work, so any traveling would be for work. But I've always wanted to see the Greek islands and Italy and Spain. So I think my aim will be definitely the Greek islands next. The reason why I love traveling is there's so many countries, so many cultures in the world, and every time you get to go out and see a new country and a new culture, you learn so much about people and life, and you realize there's way more to the world than just where you live. So I think traveling is very important.
I think I'm going to have a travel plan very soon. I'm going to go to Bangkok. We're coming up with a show. It's a Fear Factor show happening in South. So yeah, you get to see all the actresses out there. So I'm one of the participants. So I think it's going to be a good fun show, and it's going to be a lot of adventure with a holiday. So yeah, it's going to be fun.
My favorite holiday destination, that actually depends on my mood. If I'm really, I want to relax, I want to chill out, that would be some isolated place. And the best place I've gone and I would love to go in future is Seychelles. That's an amazing, amazing place. You can just go chill there in some island over Seychelles, and it's just amazing. It's nobody, you can hardly see people over there. It's always all the way, you can see water, water, water. That's the best place to relax and chill. And if I get to another mood, that is I want to have fun, just hang out with friends or something like that, that would be Vegas, of course. I love to go to Vegas, and I'm sure it's a great experience. It's going to be a great experience there. Party and hang out with friends and all that. So I love Vegas and Seychelles.
Holiday destination, the place where I have gone, I would like to say it's Auckland, because it's amazing. I didn't get much time there, but I would certainly like to go back there and explore the places again. I did the sky jump there, and it was so nerve-wracking, but I absolutely loved it after it happened, and I think it's one of my greatest achievements ever in adventure sports and stuff. And I wanted to go do a skydiving, but unfortunately the weather was not good. So I'm definitely going to go back to Auckland and do it again. And then shopping wise, naturally, I think everyone loves Bangkok for shopping and dresses, and especially girls. It's amazing for shoes and dresses and jewelry and junk jewelry. I mean, you come to my house, my entire house is filled with Bangkok stuff. You can say this is from that place, this is from Pattaya, this, that and all. Place I would like to go where I'm not yet gone, I would definitely say Paris, because it's a fashion destination, and I think every model or every upcoming model would naturally love to go to Paris and see what fashion has come now. I mean, that's where the trends are changing, and that's where Paris is the birthplace of fashion. So I think I definitely want to see Paris and the Eiffel Tower and everything. So that's it.
I'm planning to travel to US and Bangkok and most probably Singapore. So far that's the plan. But US I've been twice. It's really rocking. I love that place. I covered half of US and half of the thing is there to yet to be covered. So I would love to go to US and cover the entire part of US. I'd love to go again and again over there. Last time when I've been there, we had really good fun, and I really enjoyed to the fullest, and I had good fun. So that's what about yours. And coming to Bangkok, what should I say? Oh my God, Bangkok is an awesome place to, you know, freak out, for the massages especially. And have you ever been to Bangkok? For the bachelors especially, bang, 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 everything. So, you know, I would love to say that, you know, a bachelor definitely has to go and visit Bangkok at least once in his lifetime. So it's really fun to, you know, it's really very funniest place. I mean, it's awesome, I can say. Favorite place is Pattaya. You know, I've been there for only once. I've been there for Yavadigola Vadadi. We spent around 25 days over there, and we had good fun. All together, the entire team and the entire crew, we all had, you know, after the shoots, we used to have our massages, foot massage, body massage and everything. So even the entire Pattaya, it's good of beaches, and also it's awesome place to, you know, for a visit or for a holiday or whatever.
செம்பு பால காய்ச்சி கொஞ்சம் சீனி போட்டு தார